Hi all, welcome to this course. So this course will contain few tricky based questions which are generally asked in Java interview. Let's say if you are having 2 year of experience or more than 2 year of experience, then it is usually asked by the interviewer in with the Java developers. So we are going to create a small videos in this playlist. So in this playlist, we will be adding few tricky based questions which are generally asked in the interview. So in this video, what exactly we are going to learn the concept of addition. So let's say if we are having the question from the interviewer directly, like if we are having multiple numbers inside a list and we have to find the sum of all those numbers inside the list using the stream API, how we will be doing it. So in this video, we are going to learn the concepts of a stream API. So I'll quickly create one list. So here I have declared this main method of the program. Inside the main method, I will be going to create one list. Okay. So list it will be coming from the package java.util.list. So I am going to create this list with the type integer because it will contain integer, the list of integers. So I'll give it some reference variable name as a list. Okay. I'll use the concept of arrays dot as list so that we can directly create a list. Inside this list, I will put some random number 85. So let's say if we want to find the addition of all those numbers inside this list. So these numbers can be n also, n numbers can be possibly in this list. So with the help of a stream API, now we will be finding the sum. So how we can find it? We have one function like we know like stream we can apply on list. So we will be writing a stream, then we will be performing a stream operation on site on this list. So what exactly this will do? It will convert all the numbers like it will put all the numbers in the form of a string. Then we will be able to perform uh, operations on these numbers. So list.stream, then we have one function reduce. So if you see here inside this reduce, we have to pass binary operator. Okay, so we will be using this. So let's say here we are giving two operators name A and B. Okay, then we are passing lambda operations. Okay, so this syntax is going to return optional. So to get the elements from that optional, what exactly we will do? We will use get method of the optional. So it will return one result. We will store it in the integer. So this result will contain the sum of all the numbers which are there in the list. To quickly check it, we can print it. Now to cross check it, we will be using calculator first. Now I am going to add all the numbers inside the list manually. 85 plus 46 plus 23 plus 15 plus 80 plus 12. So we should be getting 261 in this result if our code is right. Okay. So if we run this program, we are getting 261. It means it is like this list is containing the sum of all the numbers which are there in the list. So in this way we can perform. Thank you.